Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily type the degrees symbol on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put likes under this video. So let us get started with you. First, go to any app or messenger, social media where you can write. I opened a message for this and went to correspondence. So friends, first of all, you're going to need to write the number of grams, let's say. And now to add this little circle at the top, which symbolizes degrees, you're going to have to press and hold down 10. You'll see a menu like this. And now, without releasing the 0, just drag your finger to the left side and let go. And as you can see, it now looks like 23 degrees. So let me show you again. You type in a number, then you press 0, hold it down, and drag your finger to the left side. Let go, and you're left with a little degree symbol on top of the number. This is how you can easily type the degree symbol on your iPhone, friends. I hope you found this video useful and helpful, friends. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.